Welcome everyone. Welcome to the new subscribers, True Blues. Thanks for joining me on this deal. We have an unboxing, as you can see. One of the subscriber reached out to me and said that they had something for me, so here it is. This came from TazMan-99. This is crazy, Grizzman. Grizzman lives in the same state that I do. Not a long ways away. So we're gonna have to hook up, Grizzman. We're gonna have to do something. I don't know if you want to come up here or I'll go meet you somewhere. Oh, what? No way. No way. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Is there a note, Grizzman? Did you put a note in here? I don't see a note. So I'm assuming there's no letter with it. He reached out and he got a hold of me and told me that he had a McCulloch that he wanted to gift to the channel. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. It's a 510. A McCulloch 510 DSP. It's got the decompression on the on-off switch. You just push down on that. With a full wrap handle, Grizzman? Are you kidding me? That's like super nice work on that. Who did you make that? If you made that, that's crazy. That is super nice. That's a nice handle. That's a nice saw, period. Wow, full wrap, dude. That, I'm sorry, it just takes me away. Holy smokes. Let me go get a let me get a saw wrench. Right hand start. It's all there. Got the sweet factory dog. I can't get over that. 510 DSP. McCulloch Corporation, Los Angeles, California. Remove cover for operator instructions. Okay. This has got the bigger fuel tank on it too. This style had just a little bit bigger fuel tank size, fuel capacity. Look at that filter. Okay, he said something about the carburetor didn't have the correct bolts. It's got a good carburetor on it though. It's got the dual jet with the idle separate, and it has the holes in the side like the 610. The 610 has these holes for different adjustments. Boy, this is nice. Grizzman, wow, man, this is nuts. Nice big fuel line. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice job on the fuel line. That's dandy. Tank's clean. Wow. That's a different style filter. I don't think I've ever seen one of those filter that style. That's different. Look at the cup in it. It's deeper. We better put some fuel in it. Choke is set up good. Got the bar plates and everything with it ready to rock and roll. Let's tighten that up. Holy smokes, it's got plenty of compression without that decomp. Even with the decomp. That's with the decomp off. Still, with the decomp on, that thing's got lots of life in it. Let's put fuel in it. Alright, we got fuel in it. Oh man. It's got a nice clutch on it. With the rim sprocket already. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, man. That's awesome. This is so cool, Grizz, man. Wow. 510. Mac 510. Let's see if we can get it fired up. Decomp's on. What was that? 4 poles? 5? Let's see what's going on in here. Well, we'll have to mess with it here. Should have checked the jet first. One and a half. So we're going to go, it was 1.5 out, so we're going to go 1 out. Wow. Oiler works. We lost the muffler bolt. That's all right, though. Things vibrate, right? Wow. Another right hand start. Right hand start. Full wrap handle. That is like super nice work on that handle, Grizzman. I'm interested. I'm interested in knowing who makes that. That is just clean. Look at how clean that is. Look at how clean that. I mean, that's just WeatherWorks. Boy, that sure is nice. Wow, Grizz. Thank you very, very much. Appreciate it a ton. This will be great for the addition to the collection. It's in great shape. Great shape. Yeah, we'll get it out and run it. Awesome. Thanks again, Grizzman. Everybody go check out Grizzman99. Right on. Nice work. All right. Love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. You people are crazy. Okay, I couldn't stand it. This had to come out. See the difference that makes? Just a spark arrestor screen. Oh yeah.